How to find saved videos on TikTok. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find saved videos on TikTok. Without further ado, let's get started. So before we head on to our TikTok application, please make sure that your TikTok is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or to your Play Store and update your TikTok application. Now let's just open our TikTok app. And first, if you meant saving the videos, like downloading that particular TikTok video, you should see it through your camera roll or through your photo gallery. So the way to save a video is that you just press and hold a particular video, and this save video option will appear. So let's just click on that, and that will be saved to your camera roll. So if you go to your Photos app, you should see the video on your gallery. So second, if you meant saving the videos, like adding a particular TikTok to your favorites within the TikTok app. So for example, I'm going to save this particular video or add it to my favorites. We can just click on this button right here, or we can click on share and click on add to favorites right here. So click on that. So if you meant saved video, such as adding it to your favorites, we can find it through our, first just go to the profile page by clicking on this button at the bottom right corner. And now you should see your profile page, and from here just click on this button right here that has a bookmark logo. And here you can find your favorite videos or your saved videos, but these are not actually in your camera rolls. And that is how you can find saved videos on TikTok. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.